Chocolate and peanut butter fat bombs. These are the ingredients. Butter, coconut oil, peanut butter, cream, organic dark chocolate chips, no sugar, erythritol, Himalayan pink sea salt, and vanilla extract. Okay, first things first, we're going to mix together the peanut butter, coconut oil and the butter together in the microwave in 30-second bursts and mix it well so it doesn't overheat but it incorporates. Last few bits. A total of about a minute. First for 30 seconds, then 3 10-second blasts and mixing in between. So we just want 2/3 of that. Okay, right. What we do is when that's fully mixed, we add the rest of the chocolate. And we don't heat it anymore. As our butter mix. There's our chocolate mix. This is our erythritol sugar. 2 of those. 1 whole flat teaspoon. Mix it really well, because this will help with the finished shine. Into the freezer. Okay, these have been in the freezer for a couple of hours. Let's go and have a look. Take these out. Right, keto people, let's give them a try. Chocolatey, peanut buttery, but really smooth. It's that mixing. Jacob, you come and have a try this. Tell me what you think. You like it? Yeah.
Really good.
Yeah.
That salt, mate.
Yeah.
Makes all the difference.
It brings out the flavour, doesn't it? It makes it more peanut buttery. Yeah. So remember, extra salt. Don't be afraid of the salt. It makes you don't have to use as much peanut butter, which has got some carbs in. Just use a little bit of extra salt, and they're delicious. And for a fruity treat, blend 150 grams of raspberries, pass them through a sieve, and add them to the chocolate mixture.